Hello and good afternoon to all and one. Today my topic is basics of principles of pars plana vitrectomy. That is the surgical part of the retina. As we go ahead, yes. In vitrectomy, first we have to know what is vitreous humor. So basically, the vitreous humor is a three-dimensional matrix of collagen and hyaluronic gel. So we are going to cut this vitreous while doing a vitrectomy. So now you can assume that you are in a operating theater and to do a vitrectomy. Vitrectomy means to cut the vitreous. We need a good team of a surgical team, vitrectomy machine, and a microscope with an XY axis. So, first of all, we will learn about the gold standard machine for doing the vitrectomy, that is Alcon Constellation Vision System. In the image, you can see two images. First image on the left hand side suggests the full Alcon constellation vision system. In that, it has three parts: LXT, XT, and a tabletop version. On the right hand side, there is a tabletop version with the foot pedal. Going ahead, the X the LXT is the full version with the laser inbuilt inside. The XT does not have the laser, and the tabletop does not have even the laser or the light system.
Every successful surgery begins with a strong understanding of anatomy, precision, and the right surgical approach. From basic surgical techniques to advanced, minimally invasive procedures, every skill can transform clinical decision-making. Master the techniques, refine your precision, and take your surgical expertise to the next level.
There are two types of pumps that are available. That is, one is Venturi pump. Vitrectomy system have conventionally used Venturi pumps to achieve the aspiration. Aspiration is to remove the vitreous that we are cutting. So in this system, a flow is induced by vacuum changes within the cassette. Okay. And there is a peristaltic pumps also. Since the vitreous is a heterogeneous with a Venturi pump and a fixed vacuum flow, will theoretically vary as the viscosity varies. Venturi pumps were chosen initially because in early stages of peristaltic design, peristaltic pumps were characterized by slower rise times pulsatile flow. Newer peristaltic pumps have reduced these deficiencies. So at present, currently we all are using peristaltic pumps in the mechanism of the machines. Okay, with that there is an aspiration from the cutter, which is a flow controlled. So the rotation is flow controlled. So it is very controlled. If we are using Venturi, then it was vacuum only. So it was very fast and rapid. So we don't have good controls. Right now we are using peristaltic, which has good control. So coming to the concept of duty cycle, what is duty cycle? So as you can see, I have kept the equation. Duty cycle is equal to duration of port open upon the duration of total cutting cycle. So it's very easy. When the port is open more, the duty cycle increases. When the duration of the total cutting rate is increased, duty cycle will decrease. We will go ahead in this also.
Peristaltic pumps move fluids by repeatedly compressing flexible tubing with rotating rollers. Each roller creates a controlled flow by squeezing the tube and pushing the fluid forward. This makes peristaltic pumps especially useful when precise, controlled, and contamination-free fluid delivery is required.